Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's newspaper session, we will be discussing about the important articles from the newspaper of 19 November 2024. So the first poster here is regarding Rising Rajasthan. To repeat, responsible and ready. Now, what are the key highlights of the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit? तो thematic sessions होंगे, visionary thinkers होंगे, policy makers, subject experts who will bring out together the comprehensive ideas. तो सबसे पहला focus है regarding the advancing of the inclusive societies. So participation for all, inclusive, we also can refer to the term when we discuss about the fair and reasonable distribution of the resources among the various sections of the society so that no vulnerable population is left behind. Second, we also discuss regarding the manufacturing industry. कि कैसे जो इंडस्ट्री 4.0 है, where we talk regarding the industrial revolution 4.0 or the inclusion of computers in the industries. So that can be focused upon to harness the potential and the scope of economy. Further, regional water security technology and governance, edu revolution. So bridging the education and opportunities, agri-business value chain को move करना, and also transforming the healthcare through innovation. These are the major areas that we'll be focusing upon. Next again is regarding the air pollution. So Delhi smog forces flight diversions. How planes land in low visibility. So this shows कि कैसे even after being one of the top 5 economies of the world and soon to be the one of the third largest economies, तब भी कैसे quality of life पर still there exists a cloud. तो Delhi smog कैसे जो ये smog है, what all are the impacts rather than just affecting the livability or the quality of life of individuals, how it severely impacts the economy. Because obviously, work from home cannot be the option for everyone. For example, the street vendors, etc., who are more prone and more vulnerable to the diseases and to the health effects, and they cannot even buy air purifiers and also afford a particular treatment for the same. Similarly, इकोनॉमी में ही हम बात करते हैं फ्लाइट डाइवर्जन्स की. So here this is regarding ILS. So it is a specific ground-based radio navigation system जो accurate information provide करता है to the airplanes how they can land. तो two key pieces of information होते हैं azimuth guidance and जो horizontal angle between a reference direction and ILS localizer. तो ये located होता है on the far end of the runway. And we have the correct vertical descent profile for the aircraft. So this is done with the help of a glide scope. So we can just remember these two things here. The first is the azimuth guidance and second is the vertical descent profile of the aircraft, which can help the airplane to land. Next, first time in 15 years, India overtakes China as top source of foreign students in the US. So this again is regarding the intersectionality or the when we talk about the intervention with regard to education and कैसे जो sharing of education and collaboration etc. that is enhancing between two countries and strengthening the ties apart from the very normal trade that we usually discuss. So here, 2023-24 it is mentioning that there were 3.31 lakh Indian students in the US, making above 29% of its 11 lakh strong international student population. And previously it was 25%. So the Chinese students का number है, it should have 2.77 lakh. The share dropped to 24%. तो here we can discuss about कि क्या इसके importance हो सकती है with regard to the collaboration and innovation in research and development. And fields कौन-कौन सी है, मैथमेटिक्स और कंप्यूटर साइंस. We can also discuss कि कैसे to an extent it is okay, but after the graduation or after completing the degrees, are these individuals actually living there and working there itself, which can be referred to as brain drain, or they are coming back to the country and serving their own nation. So this can be one of the concern or topic here. Next, science and technology revolutionize our lives, but memory, tradition, and myth frame our response. So this again is regarding the dilemma कि कैसे जो primitive life थी, how technology, जैसे अगर हम climate change की बात करते हैं, तो कैसे science and technology have actually affected climate in a lot of wrong sense as well. But again, the quality of life है, ease है life की, livability है, that has also been enhanced. Here we also discuss regarding memory, tradition and myth कि कैसे वो जो हमारा रिस्पॉन्स है टुवर्ड्स द चेंजेस दैट आर हैपनिंग इन सोसाइटी, उनके साथ डील करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Further, sailing towards global maritime prosperity. So we have been discussing recently कि कैसे जो maritime is important in not just in terms of security but also in terms of like marine products and कैसे tourism etc. In all these areas, trade etc. It is a major contributor, and of course connects India from other routes apart from the land connectivity through China or Pakistan. The Sagar Manthan, the Great Oceans Dialogue. The oceans are the world's common heritage, and sea routes are the lifeline of international trade. So again, talking about these two important aspects, so the trade and the heritage. The prosperity of all of us depends on the active flow of maritime trade. So here again, the global potent shipping authorities, the names I mentioned here, कौन सी small island countries है जो part है इस चीज का. And here we can also discuss about the expansionist policy of China. Expansionism that it is following, be it with regard to the string of pearls strategy, or even conquering or taking the areas of various islands or various territories of countries like Japan, Korea, etc. And majorly, what is important for us at the greater extent is the Indian Ocean or the Pacific Ocean. कैसे South China Sea को they are expanding. Next is, did inflation play a role in Trump win? So when we discuss about Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, so two major parties, Kamala Harris from the Democratic one and Donald Trump from the Republic one. So the win was pretty evident and with a huge margin. So this article mentions that it was driven by voter frustration over the economic challenges during the Joe Biden's term. So the outcome raises concerns about future shifts in the economic policies, cases of corporate interests, etc. Now, apart from high inflation, तो high inflation के बारे में first we can discuss कि it significantly reduced the real wages and the purchasing power, which fueled the voter dissatisfaction despite inflation easing before the election. So again, it is the apart from inflation, there are major concerns as well that are regarding the immigration, mainly regarding the illegal immigrants, on which Donald Trump was more harsh and vigilant over. And not just illegal, but also the legal immigrants. So this is these are the two important areas that the election, that the voters focused upon. And apart from them, of course, regarding the visas, etc. So here we can observe कि how the voting preference it is majorly dictated by the economic interest of the individuals, the economic stability that the individuals prefer. Next article is regarding Manipur. तो we have seen कि कैसे जो कुकी एंड मीतीज है उनके बीच में जो long standing conflict था, it was fueled last year in May 2023 when the Meiteis, when the High Court uh, proposed that the Meiteis should uh, m- apply for the legislation where they can receive the ST reservation. So here we can discuss about various peace treaties that are signed between the center and the state, and जैसे accords भी sign होते हैं. How can they be a particular way of curbing the violence? Another way that is mentioned in this article is the Article 356 of the Indian Constitution. So इसमें it is commonly referred to as the President's Rule. और ये क्या हेल्प करता है? It empowers the President of India to impose the central government's rule in a state under certain conditions. और ये कौन से पार्ट में है आर्टिकल के? It is in the 18th part of the Constitution. So grounds of provisions again, report of the governor of the state की recommendation per the president, if satisfied, it applies. Procedure क्या क्या है again? The president rule, it must be approved by both the houses of parliament within 2 months, and valid कितने time तक रहता है? For 6 months, and can be extended for maximum 3 years. These are the rules here. Effects क्या क्या होते हैं? Chief Minister and Council of Ministers, they are dismissed. Basically, the state executive is dismantled. Further, the Legislative Assembly, it is either dissolved or kept under suspension. The governor administers the state on behalf of the president, and the parliament assumes the power to make laws for the state. So, these are the major areas here. तो अगेन कंसर्न क्या आर्टिकल 56 से रिलेटेड? इट इज रिगार्डिंग द मिसयूज, इसलिए उसको क्रिटिसाइज करा जाता है. जैसे बिटवीन 1950 एंड 1990 ओवर 90 टाइम्स प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल वाज इम्पोज्ड. तो ये पॉलिटिकल टूल भी हो सकता है बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. एंड एसआर बोमाई जजमेंट, तो मिसयूज हैज रिड्यूस सिग्निफिकेंटली विद स्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशियल स्क्रूटिनी. एग्जाम्पल में देखते हैं तो लेटेस्ट वो 2016 में अरुणाचल प्रदेश में एंड उत्तराखंड में. तो वी कैन ऑल्सो रीड कि कैसे जो रीजनलिज्म है या फिर जो कॉम्युनलिज्म है, ऑल दीज सच एस्पेक्ट्स, दे ऑल्सो समहाउ सपोर्ट द violence that persists, or the tension that persists between the two communities, and therefore leading to violence. So further, it was also remarked by the president that no state in India has seen such continuing violence among the common people. So again, this shows the failure of the executive majorly to establish peace in the state. So कैसे जो ये role of the government, why we vote for them, so strong decision making and quick decision making is important in this case, so as to avoid such long prevailing violence. Further, Article 355 की बात हो रही है. It obliges the union to assist the states to meet such challenges, and one can assume that the union government has indeed done. The court must be apprised of the steps which have been and shall be taken by the government. The first is to hold the perpetrators accountable, and second is ensure that such incidents are not repeated. So we also discussed about the AFSPA in this regard itself. Okay, to what extent can it actually be um, effective, and क्या actually उसका misuse नहीं होएगा? Who will ensure that? So training of personnel, it should be that stringent in that case. Next again, Delhi Pollution Control Committee. So this again is regarding public notice. The quality of air can be improved if you all work together. So citizen charter. So governance की regarding with regard to citizen charter itself, we also read that a common portal should be created for better governance. So stage 1 starts from 200 and stage 4 is above 450. So here we can read about the Sameer app that we can mention. Further, private keeping the engines of vehicle properly tuned and जो air pressure है tires का उसको check करना है कि PUC certificates of your pollution control certificates also for the vehicles up to date, and also turning off engines at the red light. So these are very small steps, but they can significantly help in reducing the time and the pollution that is contributed. Further, public vehicles use करना and या फिर hybrid or electric vehicles use करना to control the vehicular population, planting more trees, etc. So avoiding the burning of solid waste. So these are just the individual steps that we all can take place. Next is Chhattisgarh's Dhudmaraz, picked for UN Best Tourism Village Upgrade Program. The small village in the Chhattisgarh's Bastar district, Dhudmaraz has been selected by the UN World Tourism Organization for the Best Tourism Village Upgrade Program to highlight Qatar's potential for sustainable tourism development. तो अगेन जो सतत विकास है जब हम बात करें सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट की सिमिलर लाइंस पर ही सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज इंक्लूडेड और फोकस्ड अपॉन इन ऑल द एरियाज with regard to tourism as well. So it was selected from more than 260 applications from more than 60 countries because of the cultural and natural richness and high potential to become an outstanding example as a top tier destination. So again, यहाँ पे we can discuss about the role of the local board. जैसे कि हम बात करते हैं छत्तीसगढ़ tourism board. तो जो state governments है कैसे they also have a huge role in enhancing the tourism facilities. Similarly, with regard to the sports, with regard to enhancement of culture opportunities, which actually enhance the quality of life of the individuals. And also it will also act as a role model for the other states and localities. Next, stories to poetry. How Delhi schools are making online classes engaging. So the air quality nearly plummeted to severe plus levels. Sunday evening, so prompted the Commission of Air Quality Management to enforce the Graph 4 restrictions. And इसी में the schools they were turned online. तो CO2 ने कहा इश तुमने किया बदनाम मैं हुआ. So this is a lyrical take on the misunderstood greenhouse gases role in global warming. And also we read regarding the sulfur dioxide in the recent days itself कि कैसे सिर्फ CO2 पे फोकस नहीं करना चाहिए but also on the sulfur dioxide etc. and all the ways of emissions. For example, brick kilns etc. and even um, the factories that are not performing up to the level of standards. Chimneys में जो mechanisms होने चाहिए to settle the dust and the ash there itself. So all these mechanisms must be focused upon. And here this is regarding the awareness as well. जैसे बचपन से ही they can be taught the importance of sustainability, the importance of being aware with regard to environment. Next, around 6.5 lakh applications coming from PM's internship scheme pilot project. तो here PM internship scheme in top companies में अप्लाई करा था पायलट प्रोजेक्ट. And again, there were so many applications, 6.5 lakh applications. And it was regarding that 5,000 will be given per month. Companies will pay 500 per month from the CSR funds, and rest I guess will be contributed by the government itself. And this will be a contractual job for 1 year. So this is a kind of a way for temporary employment, as we can mention. But employment के actual जो structural problem है वो क्या कैसे exist करती है? This was also a main PYQ question with regard to the unemployment. So we can discuss about the population at first, and second जो job opportunities create हुई हैं they are mainly inclined towards the services sector. जो manufacturing sector है उसमें there is still a whole lot of scope again because of अभी manufacturing sector भी इतना develop नहीं हुआ है. And currently वैसे भी the number of individuals involved in that are less. तो उसके रिगार्डिंग भी क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकते हैं? ऐसी इंडस्ट्रीज पे फोकस करना चाहिए विच आर मोर लेबर इंटेंसिव at least for the current few years so that a whole lot of labor can be absorbed. And second, such industries must be focused upon which have a better forward and backward integration of backward and forward linkage so that more jobs can further be created. Because again, such government initiatives, they are for welfare and are good, but they also pose a burden on the revenue expenditure of the government resources. Further, more efficient methods of tracking stubble burning needed. तो अगेन this was regarding the satellite news that we read कि कैसे जो कोरियन सैटेलाइट है it was able to catch कि कैसे post afternoon there were stubble burning cases that were seen and before that नहीं होते थे so that the Indian satellites couldn't sense them. So data on fire comes from heat sensing instrument on two American satellites, Suomi NPP and NOAA-20 polar orbiting satellites. A visible infrared imaging radiometer suit, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. So here also it is mentioned the state being India's highest paddy cultivator, Punjab, has been responsible for 50 to 60% of farm fires in most years. So again, a comprehensive long-term solutions here. We have been discussing regarding this since very long. Next, global south hit by food fuel crisis due to conflicts. तो ग्लोबल साउथ तो द कन्फ्लिक्ट्स क्या क्या इनके repercussions होते हैं what are the global spillover effects be it with regard to the sanction with regard to the food prices the fuel crisis which are the two most vulnerable things in the economy if you can talk about trade में कैसे there are disruptions that are seen further the loss of lives etc loss of work insecurity among the people these are all the challenges with regard to the conflicts. So here, Prime Minister Modi ji complimented the Brazilian presidency of the grouping for taking forward the people-centric decisions. The recent visit was to Brazil and Nigeria. So global South को strengthen करना is very important. Here we can discuss this as well. कि कैसे even जो Africa का inclusion in the G20 that was supported by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. तो कैसे ये हेल्प कर सकता है इन द स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ द ग्लोबल साउथ. तो डिजिटल एग्रीकल्चर मिशन इंडिया हैज डेवलप्ड ओवर 2000 climate resilient crop varieties. So this is important point we can remember. फिर health insurance etc. How they can strengthen the actual structure and spine of the nation. Next is regarding space. So SpaceX Falcon 9 deploys Indian satellite into orbit. So India's GSAT-N2, GSAT-20 communication satellite was successfully launched by the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. You can just remember the name, GSAT-20. Next, affidavit before the National Green Tribunal to report on dip in India forest cover devoid of facts. So, one challenge here is regarding the data as well. जब हम बात करते हैं with regard to the employment, with regard to the economy, with regard to the poverty, etc., participation of women in the labor force, and here with regard to the forest data. तो data and जो surveys होते हैं, how correct are they? So recently itself we read के the different bodies, the private and the government, the different channels, they post the different data and huge differences थे. So data की reliability also becomes a very crucial part here. And we also read about the method कि कैसे instead of going by the numbering, we can take up the registry method for the census. कैसे वो भी इतने important हो जाता है so as to know the actual status and accordingly we can make the policies. The Global Forest Watch Project monitoring data ने कहा कि India has lost 2.33 million hectares of tree cover. So they said it is devoid of facts and ground reality. The Forest Survey of India for the CPCB and FSI's biennial India State of Forest report. So these are the reports that I mentioned here. So it is mentioned that while preparing the ISFR, India's State of Forest report, all lands measuring more than a hectare with a tree canopy of more than 10%. So more than a hectare and tree canopy of more than 10%, irrespective of ownership and legal status, including the orchards, bamboo, and palm. They are defined as forest cover. Although tree patches of less than 1 hectare outside forest are also considered. तो ट्री कवर की डेफिनेशन अगेन उसमें कोई एम्बिग्यूटी नहीं होनी चाहिए द बट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज फॉरेस्ट और नॉट दैट इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट दैट कैन बी कवर्ड अपॉन तो यहाँ पे 6% ऑफ ट्री कवर इंडिया हैज लॉस्ट बिटवीन 2001 एंड 2023 एंड 60% जो है इज इन द 5 northeastern states. So कैसे the states which are already so vulnerable with regard to the economy etc. and even in other areas with regard to the border security कैसे उनमें ही it is happening the most. Further, as chikungunya cases rise in Telangana, US issues the travel advisory. So chikungunya again is a viral disease spread through the mosquito bites, with symptoms typically appearing 3 to 7 days after infection. The fever, joint pain, headache, muscle pain, joint swelling, these are all the symptoms here. Next, how can design help a building be more climate resilient? So, high performance building are at the forefront of the sustainable construction. So, energy efficiency, climate resilience, or resource conservation. These are the key terms that we can mention here. ताकि इसमें included होएगा again integrated design होएगा जैसे कि 90% day lighting in occupied spaces or cooling, air conditioning in commercial buildings. Energy saving and thermal comfort goals. Sustainable कैसे होंगे? The materials they need to be durable, energy efficient, and they must prioritize the occupant health. So these are the key terms that we can mention. Low emission जैसे कि अगर हम बात करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में भी तो we can use LED instead of the conventional bulbs. तो लेस एनर्जी कैसे यूज करेंगे बिल्डिंग्स? बिल्डिंग्स अकाउंट फॉर अबाउट 40% ऑफ द टोटल एनर्जी कंजम्पशन. तो डिजाइन में देयर मस्ट बी अ चेंज. नेट पॉजिटिव एनर्जी परफॉर्मेंस. तो दे विल आल्सो सेव वाटर. जैसे इंफोसिस के जो कैंपस है इंडिया में, दे रिसाइकल 100% ऑफ द वेस्ट वाटर यूजिंग अ वाटर मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम एंड aerobic membrane bioreactor. So very nice example that we can mention. Infosys. On-site wastewater treatment systems. Dual flush toilets. जैसे we also discuss once about the model कि कैसे in countries like Japan and etc. the water that we use for washing our hands, it is directly used for flushing. तो कैसे reusing of water instantly can be promoted. Next, how sustainable is India's path to net zero with 45 years left? तो net zero carbon emission by 2070 का टारगेट था. Conference of Parties, but the outcome of 2024. So they will have a greater impact on the planet's climate change. इसमें we also read about the uh, like the what is the importance of the stance of the political leaders with regard to such important issues. They said Donald Trump, he termed climate change as just a hoax. तो दिस शोज के व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड कैसे जो सीरियसनेस है वो इतनी नहीं कंटिन्यू रहेगी with regard to climate change of the US policies. तो net zero again temperature rise to within 1.5 degree of the pre-industrial levels. तो net zero equitable is also a term here. कि कैसे जो developed world है they have caused more harm to the environment, and so the cost must be paid. Those ratio है cost का that must be higher to nationally determined contributions. इंडिया की बात करते हैं तो सप्लाई साइड पर भी इंडिया फर्दर नीड्स टू फर्दर डिसेंट्रलाइज द एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन, जैसे कि रूफटॉप सोलर सेल्स एंड द सोलर पंप्स फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, एंड फाइनली शुड कंटिन्यू टू एक्सपैंड द न्यूक्लियर पावर जनरेशन. So these are the steps that I mentioned here. Mindful dietary choices and alternative fuels in industries, in addition to the electrification. This is railways maybe we discussed regarding the electrification. So quality of life, good quality of life avail karna to large share of population so that the productivity and the livability enhances. Next is the way of life in Azerbaijan and at COP29. So agreements might not yet be brewing among negotiators at the UN climate talks, but tea certainly is. So scientists they are studying ways to improve the tea varieties and preparing for a future where some tea production moves north. तो climate change के regarding ही climate resilient crops का grow होना how important it is. जैसे digital agriculture the agriculture mission के अंदर ही भी read कि कैसे 2000 new varieties were created of the crop resilient climate resilient crops. Further regulating fossil fuel like nuclear weapons. So to curb the global greenhouse gas emissions, a group of governments and civil society organizations they are pushing for a fossil fuel non-proliferation treaty. तो जैसे न्यूक्लियर नॉन प्रोलिफरेशन ट्रीटी था, similar terms पर ही we have the fossil fuel one. तो कैसे we also discuss regarding the phasing out and phasing down of coal. So conceptualized in 2016 after the Paris Agreement and officially 2019 में लॉन्च हुई थी. की फीचर्स क्या है इस ट्रीटी के? तो ग्लोबल कोऑपरेशन मॉडल टू एंड द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ कोल ऑयल एंड गैस प्रोडक्शन, phase out equitable planet to shut down the existing fossil fuel production, just a transition. कि कैसे fast tracking the adoption of renewable energy and the economic diversification away from the fossil fuels. तो इसमें भी when we talk about phasing out तो बहुत सारे challenges exist करते हैं. One is regarding the creation of the infrastructure. शुरू में कैसे बहुत ज़्यादा investment will be required. Further, the individuals who are already employed in the mining etc sectors are already so vulnerable. तो उनको कैसे हम employment opportunities provide कर सकते हैं, rehabilitation, their reskilling. That also becomes crucial. तो climate change transnational challenge है. Therefore, it is very important, and all the countries' collaboration is necessary here. Next, Chhattisgarh revives tiger plans as young visitor walks into sanctuary. The young male tiger wandered into the Barnavapara Wildlife Sanctuary in March. The Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun में based है, and National Tiger Conservation Authority. The Chhattisgarh's tiger population has fallen to 17 in 2022 from 46 in 2014. So tigers के regarding we have already discussed कि कैसे जो challenges are they are majorly regarding the infections etc that are caused. Further poisoning हो जाती है many a times. These are the major challenges apart from the poaching etc. तो Guru Ghasidas Tamor Pingla Tiger Reserve. It is the state's fourth tiger reserve and the third largest in the country. Next, government pushes back on RBI proposals. So, government likely to extend DAS's tenure by 1 more year. So, RBI's cloud storage pilot in 2025. So, it will require the banks to set aside more funds for infrastructure projects and hold more liquid assets against the online deposits. So this again is the measure. So diluted as they could squeeze credit in the economy. Next, finance minister calls out banks to make loan rates more affordable. So competitive cost of capital is a key growth requirement, the minister said. तो consumerism में अगर हम बात करते हैं जो ट्रेंड का चेंज हुआ है that is mainly with regard to the credit facilities. Buy now pay later का जो concept है that has significantly increased. And also consumer price index, it jumped to a 14-month high of 6.21% in October. So RBI का threshold is 6% of the CPI. You can remember this. Next, direct tax collections likely to exceed the budget target. So 22 specialized subcommittees formed. The government is confident of not only meeting the direct tax collection of target for the current fiscal, but also exceeding it. Central Board of Direct Taxes. The trend of tax collection is positive on both corporate and non-corporate funds. The increase we can see here, K 6.5 on year. And non-corporate tax, It's so to 20% on year. So when we talk about industrial development, उसके regarding भी we discuss कि कैसे जो currently इंडिया का policy है with regard to या फिर जो steps है with regard to increasing the uh, industries, so that one of them is the concessional corporate tax. So as to and apart from the PLI etc., which are very common to enhance the industrial participation. So subcommittees will review the various provisions of the CBDT of the Act. Next, Center names K. Sanjay Murthy as new CAG. तो Comptroller and Auditor General of India. तो majorly जो काम है, as the term suggests, is regarding the auditing of the finances and the contributions, etc. of the CAG. So Center on Monday, they named Education Secretary K. Sanjay Murthy. We can remember the name here. And with the end of the tenure of the incumbent GC Murmu this month. So Murthy is to be the CAG with effect from the date he assumes starts from of his office. So you can just remember the name. Next, India asks rich nations to remove curbs on tech transfer. So India on Monday called on developed countries to become net zero by 2030 to remove barriers to technology transfer, increase public climate finance, and avoid unfair trade measures disguised as climate action. So maybe this unfair trade measure is regard to the CBAM. And also technology transfer कैसे बहुत ज़्यादा important है, so as to have better make technology affordable, adaptable and relevant for the developing countries as well. और जो barriers जैसे कि intellectual property rights, to make it hard for them to access these technologies. To developing countries, they also need support from the developed ones. So COP29 Baku, Azerbaijan. So we have discussed regarding this earlier as well. Next, Reserve Bank of India is organizing a high-level policy conference of central banks from the global south, building synergies. तो ये बहुत important है, जैसे even not just with regard to the banks, the central banks of the various countries, but with regard to parliaments as well. That recently we saw कि जो parliaments conference हुआ था, तो these are such initiatives which actually help in these meets and these conferences. They actually help in the sharing of the new ideas, visions and ways, and there can be exchange of learnings here, जिससे कि all the countries they can benefit. So here balancing growth and inflation in the global south, monetary policy, communication, digital payments को कैसे expand कर सकते हैं, sharing of experiences and policy perspectives by governors. The regulation and emerging challenges, reflecting forward supervision amidst the emerging risks. So very important points are mentioned here. Multilateral financial institutions and the central banks, academia, banks, economists, and the financial market participants. Next, Competition Commission of India imposes rupees 231 crore fine on Meta for data sharing. तो data security, data privacy कैसे बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है, and also the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, IT Act की हम बात कर सकते हैं. These are the two acts जिनमें data provision exists currently. CCI ordered cease and desist actions and remedies. So WhatsApp dominates messaging and Meta leads ads. So Meta created barriers using WhatsApp data. तो WhatsApp must disclose data shared with Meta. तो CCI ने रूल करा दिस टेक इट और लीव इट अप्रोच एज एन अनफेयर कंडीशन। तो क्यों कैसे 2021 की जो प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी है वो रिक्वायर करती है द यूजर्स टू एक्सेप्ट द एक्सपैंडेड डेटा कलेक्शन मैंडेटरी शेयरिंग विद फेसबुक टू कंटिन्यू यूजिंग व्हाट्सएप। तो टेक इट और लीव इट पॉलिसी को ऑल्टर करना इज क्रूशियल। तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड आईटी, it has also opposed such a policy by Meta. तो कर्ब करना दी एंटी competitive practice। Next, banking CEOs bet on emerging technology. So banking sector CEOs across the globe are betting on emerging technology as a key component in business transformation. So technology transfer, we just now read the key term. And for example, 76% say that experimentation is the key to unlocking the generative AI's potential, and they encourage all employees to take part. The survey according 81% reported cybercrime cybersecurity as the top factor likely to have a negative impact on the organizational growth. तो जो emerging challenges है, the emerging risks, उनको tackle करना. So it is very crucial to go with the time and therefore exchange of ideas via global conferences is very important. The outlook of the global economy and the banking sector. Fraud detection, cyber attack action, faster data analysis, more efficiency and productivity. So these are the top benefits of implementing the AI. तो जो एम्प्लॉयर्स एंड एम्प्लॉयर के बीच में जो गैप है उसको भी ब्रिज करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट. Top factors likely to have negative impact on growth, cybercrime, cost of living, and trade regulations. Next, FDI climate. So, dampened FDI climate, several factors are responsible, including the changes in India's dispute settlement system. So, the National Democratic Alliance regime is optimistic of attracting $100 billion annually in the FDI. And it is currently the world's fastest growing large economy with the unmatched market growth opportunities in the sunrise sectors. So the investors there, they have been turned off by the changes in the dispute settlement system. तो कितनी easily होता है the settlement or the ease of registration etc. and dispute के लिए settlement होता है. तो instead of just ease, the speed also matters.
इसमें दिया हुआ है कि और भी एस्पेक्ट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट यू हैव मेंशन्ड, जुडिशियल चैलेंजेस भी है. इसी कारण जो आर्बिट्रेशन काउंसिल है उससे प्रोसेसेस है वो स्लो है. जुडिशियल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रेंड, डिलेज इन हायर लिटिगेशन कॉस्ट. फिर जो ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर है यूएई और बाकी सबके साथ, वहां पर भी रीनेगोशिएशन का बात हो रहा है एफटीए का. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी एशियान का जो समिट हुआ इसमें इंडिया ने बात किया कि वी हैव टू रीनेगोशिएट विद रिगार्डिंग टू द एफटीए. तो इसके कारण भी होता है. दूसरा कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का जो अपना इकोसिस्टम है, फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोग सैमसंग वाले जो केस दिखे तमिलनाडु में, क्या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैव एडिक्वेट रिसोर्सेस एंड वायबल बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ब्रिंग एफडीआई या टू यूज एफडीआई इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैनर. तो चैलेंजेस है इसका.
एंड इम्पोर्टेंस की बात कर सकते हैं एफडीआई की. तो अगेन जो इकोनॉमिक एड है एक कंट्री को वो मिलती है इन वेरी इनडायरेक्ट वेज वाया द एफडीआई. Next are new ad norms, the death knell for coaching centers. So this is regarding the um, misleading advertisements by the coaching centers. The new guidelines क्या है? Guidelines for prevention of the misleading advertisement in coaching centers 2024. So it hold coaching centers accountable for false claims about the course duration, number of students, time taken to complete a program, and also with regard to the already existing achievers which have not actually taken that particular course or some other course or aid from the coaching उनके names भी
इसमें
they
वही
list.
है कि सैरोगेट
हाँ surrogate
एडवर्टाइजमेंट
advertisement.
होता है। दूसरा चीज होता है कि अब आपसे पैसा लिया जाता है और आप क्लेम करते हैं कि आपने ये सब कोर्सेज बाई किया, इसके बाद आपका आईए से कुछ आईआईटी निकले या कुछ आईएम निकला।
हम्म
तो ये सब चैलेंजेस है। उन्होंने बताया जो कोर्सेज में वो अवेल किया वही कोर्स सामने मानना चाहिए।
हम्म
नेबरिंग कंट्री शो इंटरेस्ट इन गति शक्ति। गति शक्ति मल्टी डायमेंशनल, मल्टी
मल्टी मॉडल
मल्टी मॉडल, और एक तरह से हर एक जो मिनिस्ट्री है उसका इंटीग्रेशन का
इंटीग्रेशन
बात करता है।
हाँ मिनिस्ट्री कैंडीज
हम्म।
तो
तो
दैट
अगर
तो
हाँ।
जैसे अगर हम देखते हैं रोड्स में भी जैसे पहले दे विल क्रिएट द रोड्स फिर फर्दर कोई और मिनिस्ट्री पाइप सेटअप करने के लिए उसकी कोई फिर ब्रेक करेगी। तो इस सब को अवॉइड करने के लिए एक सीमलेस इजी प्रोसेस करने के लिए एंड ऑल्सो कनेक्टिविटी को इनहांस करने के लिए दिस मॉडल इज देयर।
हम्म।
तो थ्री नेबरिंग कंट्रीज तो यहाँ पे ग्लोबल इंटीग्रेशन की हम बात कर सकते हैं। बांग्लादेश, नेपाल एंड श्रीलंका। तो पहले दे मे बी फर्स्ट ऑफर टू दीज थ्री कंट्रीज प्लानिंग के लिए एंड एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए फॉर द बॉर्डर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स। और फिर बाद में ओवरसीज प्रोजेक्ट प्लानिंग एंड एग्जीक्यूशन विल टेक प्लेस। तो पोर्टल भी क्रिएट करा गया है एक्सेस टू पीएम पोर्टल टू गेट फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम हाउ प्रोजेक्ट्स आर ब्रॉट फ्रॉम द ड्राइंग बोर्ड टू एक्चुअल एग्जीक्यूशन। तो नाइस इनिशिएटिव। फ्रेंडली नेबरिंग कंट्रीज to people. Thank you everyone for.
नेक्स्ट।
We will continue in the next session with the next set of important articles.